And the winner is...
Welcome to Zimmusic 263, your #1 source for all things music in Zimbabwe. Here's our special recap of the NAMA 2024 awards. For Outstanding Male Musician, the nominees were
Saint Flo, CZK, Enzo Ishall.
The award went to Enzo Ishall. Congratulations, Enzo, on your well-deserved win. In the Outstanding Female Musician category, the nominees were Vio Brown, Feli Nandi, and Janet Menuwa. The winner was Feli Nandi.
Thank you so much. I would like to thank God that we're here. It's been an amazing journey. I would like to thank my family and friends, my kids. The other first one is here. I would like to thank the coming pastor and associates for believing in me when nobody else did. And my friends. Lastly, I would like to thank an amazing woman who came on board and changed the game, my manager, and thank you, Nama. I love you guys.
Congratulations, Feli, on your fantastic achievement. For Outstanding Album of the Year, the nominees were Season 4 Jesus by Joyful Praise Choir, Chiremerera by Jah Prayzah, and Trophy by Freeman. The award was clinched by Chiremerera by Jah Prayzah. Congratulations, Jah Prayzah, on your outstanding album. In the People's Choice Award category, the nominees were Saint Flo, Volts JT, Winky D, Holy 10, and Mike Kirafoti. The People's Champion was Winky D. Congratulations, Winky D, the people have spoken. And the award for Outstanding Music Video went to Damage by Tal Wadzinza. Congratulations, Tal, on your visually stunning music video.
That's a wrap on the NAMA 2024 highlights. Which wins surprised you? Let me know in the comments.
Congratulations to all the winners and nominees. Don't forget to like and share for more exclusive music updates. Stay tuned to Zimmusic 263.